Hi, this is Tom Varcie, Military Embedded Systems, here day one at Xponential 2018 in Denver. I'm here with Patrick Dietrich, CTO at ConnectTech. How are you, Patrick?
Hi, Tom. I'm doing good.
Oh, that's great. Well, going around the booth today, ran into Patrick and just wanted to see all the cool products here at the ConnectTech booth. But, Patrick, what are you seeing an interest in unmanned systems?
So we're seeing a ton of interest in anything NVIDIA-oriented, specifically in the small NVIDIA Jetson platform, which has incredible sort of visual compute application for doing real-time vision processing. So we're actually one of NVIDIA's largest Jetson ecosystem partners in that space. And we have a lot of commercial off-the-shelf carrier board options to integrate these into small unmanned platforms. But really what we're also looking to showcase today is sort of going beyond the Jetson into much higher processing applications, so things like SAR applications where they need to do really, really high intensity computing. We actually have this solution here.
Yeah, let's take a look at these.
Yeah, so this is actually our V7G platform, which integrates a ComExpress Type 7 enterprise server class grade processor, as well as a very high-end MXM-based GPU component from NVIDIA. So we actually have this qualified to work with the NVIDIA Quadro P3000, the P5000, and as well as the Tesla P6.
Great. Show us what else you have here, too.
This is our DXG platform, which is very similar to that platform, but this is all integrated into a very small form factor, which integrates ComExpress Type 6, along with a lot of those same GPU platforms.
Great. Great products here at the ConnectTech booth. If you're here, stop by ConnectTech. Patrick, how can people get more information about the company?
Perfect. So if you want more information on ConnectTech or any of our products, you can visit our website at www.connecttech.com.
Great. And I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos here at Xponential, so follow me on Twitter, #Militaryvlogger.